Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how we can integrate OneNote to the Power Apps. Okay, so I have taken a Canvas app here, and there on the left side I added this OneNote connector here. So once you added this OneNote connector from here, see here. So if you add OneNote connector from these connectors, you will get this OneNote here, and this OneNote contains a lot of like say so many formulas here related to this. Okay, so here I am using one HTML rich text box. Okay, and I am keeping one button here. Okay, like this, right? So now in this button I want to add one quick notes, OneNote dot OneNote business dot. Here we are getting so many properties. So I want to create a this quick notes. Click this one, and it is asking to provide a page content. Page content means the content in this text box. Okay, let's see what is the name of this text box. Rich text editor 2. Okay, rich text editor 2 dot HTML text. Okay, so now the simple formula. Now let's go and click this one and enter some data here. Like this, and you type something whatever you want. Okay, and make them. Okay, now I am just posting this one to OneNote. See here, this is a Power App. Okay, click this button, and now I will go to my OneNote. From Microsoft 365, I am opening my OneNote application. This is my OneNote. Here I got teacher something like this, the notebook name. If I click this one, I can see the previous notes, and also one page is in the quick notes. It's created a page here. See, this is the page what we have just given from the Power Apps here. This is coming from the Power Apps. Okay, if you see again, see the same thing. This is how we must use these formulas here. In the button I used this OneNote business create page in quick notes. This is the formula. Okay, thank you for watching.